दावत मीडिया यूट्यूब चैनल, मोहब्बत का पैगाम, इंसानियत के नाम।
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहिल्लज़ी जअल अस्समावाति वल अर्ज़ व जअल अज़्ज़ुलुमाति वन नूर। अम्मा बाद। Dear audience, respected teachers and judges, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am here to recall our brave past and understand the current situation of the country. After World War II, in 1947, the British government got ensured that it no longer could show its power on India. And Indian freedom fighters continued fighting. Then British government decided to free India. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Prime Minister of independent India, and he said during his speech, "Long years ago we made rest with destiny. Now the time comes when we will redeem our pledge, not wholly or in full measure, but very substantially. At a stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India is awake to life and freedom. A moment comes which comes but rarely in history, when the soul of a nation long suppressed finds utterance." Dear audience, as we know that after independence, we did not have our laws and policies to conduct the nation in the best way. Thus we created our constitution. The Constitution of India is a paramount, serving as the nation's foundational legal document. It outlines fundamental rights, directive principles, and the structure of governance. Its significance lies in ensuring justice, equality, and liberty for citizens. The Constitution of India passed on 26 November 1949 and came into force 26 January 1950. At the time of its adoption, the Constitution of India contained 395 articles and was about 1,45,000 words long, making it the longest national constitution. Every article in the Constitution was debated by the members of Constituent Assembly, who sat for 11 sessions, 167 days, to frame the Constitution over a period of 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. Dear audience, when we celebrate the Republic Day, we must ponder that our country turned into secular and independent. What was the factor which lit the candle of freedom? Who were the freedom fighters whose attempt changed the fate of our country? 78 years ago, our country saw the sun shining under independent India after 200 years tyrannical rule of British government. Muslims and non-Muslims sacrificed their lives in uncountable number to free the country from the British rule. Muslims were the first enemies since the power was taken from them. Most important thing is that Muslim freedom fighters carried the freedom struggle lonely till 19th century. Then our brothers from different communities came and joined their hands with Muslim warriors, and they continued their fighting. Then our country witnessed freedom 15th August 1947. Dear audience and respected teachers, the purpose to mention these facts is to recall our brave past and understand the current situation of the country. If today we cast our minds to the current situation of the country, the multiple questions arise in our mind. Do we have real freedom for what our forefathers had sacrificed? Are we free from all hatred or discriminations on the basis of race and religions? The answer is absolutely not, and not at all. In today's India, the oppression, physical and mental torture by one group to another is at large. The major part of countrymen is sunk in the deep darkness of the discrimination and hatred. Unfortunately, negative mind setup is feigned and supported by the ruling party. Time and again they target the minorities and raise the questions on their patriotism in order to push them into mental slavery. Here I conclude my talk. Thank you so much for your kind attention in listening to me patiently. Jazakumullahu khair.
दावत मीडिया यूट्यूब चैनल मोहब्बत का पैगाम इंसानियत के नाम।